Hi there, students. Aestival, vernal, and hibernal. And I guess the other word is autumnal. Okay, let's see. These are all adjectives. Let's see. Hibernal means related to winter. Vernal means related to spring. And estival talks about related to summer. Now, I wish I had a really good posh word like this to go with autumn, but I can only think of autumnal or fall as an adjective. So, the estival weather is normally hot and dry, whereas hibernal weather is normally cold and wet and rather miserable. And the vernal flowers are coming up after the last frost of the year. Okay, so vernal, related to the spring. The vernal pleasures of seeing the sunshine again, to manage to get through the the hibernal weather, the hibernal ice and cold, and then estival. Okay, an estival menu with fresh fruits, for example, strawberries and things like that. The day had an estival feel to it. Yeah, and I really wish I could give you the fourth word to finish it, but it's going to be autumnal. Yeah, so we've got these four adjectives: spring, vernal; summer, estival; autumn, autumnal; and winter, hibernal. Yeah, okay, so these are the four seasons. These are so slightly different adjectives for you. These are normally fairly formal. I'm thinking about the vernal equinox. An equinox is when the number of hours of light and day are the same, and normally we have two equinoxes: the vernal equinox, which is normally about the middle of March, and the autumnal equinox, which is in September. Okay, so yeah, I'm a great fan of the autumnal weather. It doesn't have the fiery heat of the estival or eastival times of year. Yeah, and you don't have to be huddled up in a corner to keep warm in at the hibernal moments during the year. Okay, so I think probably poetically vernal as well, characterized by spring. You could use this poetically to mean young and fresh. His vernal youth will not last forever, something like that, but I'm going to use that rather poetically. Hibernal, something that happens in winter. So yeah, Christmas is a hibernal event. Yeah, and then estival or eastival, I would probably go eastival, belonging to summer. So the eastival holidays, yeah, lying on the beach in a warm and comfortable place. Okay, so let's see formality. So hibernal, 6.57 in formality, semi-formal writing and above. Comes from hibernalis in Latin, wintry; iernis, winter in Latin. Then vernal, from Latin, vernalis, relating to spring, from vernus, belonging to spring. And 7 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal writing or above. The vernal cherry blossom is really beautiful this year. And then eastival, yeah, you can say Aestival as well, comes from Latin. Aestivalis, yeah, from Aestas, summer in Latin, and again 7.5 in formality. Autumnal, this is much more neutral. I would probably give this a 5.5, and you can use it anywhere. So let's just go through them again. Hibernal, belonging to winter. Vernal, belonging to spring, happening in the spring. Aestival, happening in the summer, and autumnal, happening in the autumn. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Aestival, vernal, autumnal, hibernal.